How to take a scheduled carpool trip in ConnectSmart as a driver. First, tap Carpool. To get started, make sure you've joined a carpool group. Tap Manage Groups. You can join a private or public group by searching by name or location, or you can create a group. Now you're ready to find a carpooler. Tap Find a Carpool Buddy for a future trip. Select Driver as your role. Add your route, choose your pickup time frame, and adjust the optional chip-in fee. You can even schedule repeating days for your carpool. Tap Next. Once you're all set, tap Find Matches. Here's how to match with a carpooler. ConnectSmart will notify you once a match appears. Once you've matched with a passenger, go to the carpool page to view your matches. Send an invitation to your rider directly, or accept incoming trip requests from riders who match with you. Once a trip is confirmed, the driver can tap Time to Go to start the trip. Ready to pick up your carpooler? When you arrive at the pickup spot, slide Confirm Arrival to let your rider know. For a secure match, verify the 4-digit trip code provided by your rider. Once your passenger is buckled up, slide Confirm Pickup to be on your way. Ready to drop off your carpooler? Once you reach the destination, slide to confirm the drop-off. At the end of your trip, you can rate your rider. You can also adjust your matching preferences for future rides. Happy carpooling!